Level 1 Beginner. Lesson 14 talking about family. Welcome back. Vocabulary. Family members. Let's learn the names of family members. Father or dad. Male parent. Vikram is the father. Mother or mom. Female parent. Alka is the mother. Son. Male child. Arav is the son. Daughter. Female child. Sachi is the daughter. Parents. Mother and father. Vikram and Alka are parents. Brother. Male sibling. Arav is Sachi's brother. Sister. Female sibling. Sachi is Arav's sister. Grandfather. Father of a parent. Vikram or Alka's father. Grandmother. Mother of a parent. Vikram or Alka's mother. Repeat after me. Mother, father, sister. Great. Describing your family. Let's describe the family. We use this is my, he is my, she is my. Examples: this is my father. He is my brother. She is my grandmother. Now you try. This is my. Well done. Vikram's family. Let's listen to Vikram talk about his family. My name is Vikram. I am a father. This is my wife Alka. We have two children, Sachi and Arav. Sachi is our daughter. Arav is our son. My parents live in Jaipur. My father is retired. My mother is a homemaker. Let's repeat with Vikram. This is my wife Alka. We have two children. Good. Grammar. Possessive apostrophes and my, your, his, her. We use apostrophes to show possession. Examples: Vikram's father, the father of Vikram. Alka's mother, the mother of Alka. Sachi's brother, Arav. We also use words like my for yourself, your for someone else, his for a man, her for a woman. Examples: my father is a doctor. Her brother is tall. His mother is kind. Repeat. My name is Arav. Her name is Sachi. His name is Vikram. Nice. Practice speaking. Let's practice. I will ask the questions, you answer. Who is your father? You can say, my father is name or job. Who is your sister? Say, my sister is name. Mini dialogue. Let's listen to Sachi and Arav. Sachi, Arav, who is your sister? Arav, you are my sister. Sachi, yes. And you are my brother. Arav, Papa is our father. Mum is our mother. Simple and fun. Let's repeat their sentences. You are my sister. He is our father. She is our mother. Quiz time. Who's who? Let's see if you can remember. Who is Vikram? Answer. He is the father. Who is Sachi? Answer. She is the daughter. Who is Alka? Answer. She is the mother. Great job. Describe your family. Now it's your turn. Describe your family in 3 sentences. Example, I have one sister. My mother is a teacher. My father is a farmer. Pause the video now and say your sentences out loud. Recap. Let's review what we learned today. Vocabulary: father, mother, son, daughter, sister, brother, parents. Grammar: possessive apostrophes, my, your, his, her. Phrases: this is my, he is my, she is my. Practice describing your family. Final challenge. In the comments, write about your family. How many people are in your family? What are their names and jobs? Who is your favorite family member? We would love to read your answers. Great job today. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. You are doing fantastic. See you next time.